Hey Skylar, so today we're going to create a box and whisker plot. So we need what's called a 5-number summary. So they put this Q2, this is also another word for median. So the first thing we need to do whenever we have a data set, we're doing box and whisker plot, we need to put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 19, 17 first. 17, 19, 20, 23, and 24. So now that we got them in order, we can see our minimum is 5, and then our maximum is 24. So next thing we need to do is we need to actually find the median of this. So just going through, crossing out one at the beginning, and then one at the end, and going back and forth until we get to the middle. So it looks like our median is 14. So now we need to find quartile 1 and quartile 3. Now the way we do this is we just keep going with finding the median, but the median of the first half and the median of the second half, without including this median we just took. So I can cross one out here, one here, one here, one here. Quartile 1 is 7. And then the same thing on the other side for quartile 3, it is 20. So now we're going to start, this is our 5-number summary. We're going to plot these points. So let's make it the same colors. So I'll put my minimum at 5, I'm going to do a dot. My maximum at 24, we're going to do another dot. Our median is 14, so we're going to put that dot in. And then we have our quartile 1 at 7, our quartile 3 at 20. Okay, so now for the dot plot, what you have to do is you connect the 2 on the end. Here are the whiskers. And then I like to start by putting my lines in. And then we can connect them to create the box. So because they're in quartiles, it's really important that we know that each little section represents 25%. So that's 25%. That's 25%. Here's another 25% and another 25% for a total of 100%. So we can see that the beginning 25% is kind of more compressed. So maybe there's more numbers there or they're closer together. And that's just kind of how we can see, oh, well, the 7 to the 20 is where we really start to see it spreading out, that middle 50%. So we can see each where the middle 50%, and that's normally what we want to know is what's the middle 50%. So sometimes we'll want to know how spread out that is, and we'll find something called the interquartile range, or IQR, because that's a really long word. And all that is the third quartile minus the first quartile. So we could do 20 minus 7 and see that it's spread out 13. Now that doesn't seem too bad, but when you look at the entire range is 24 minus 5 compared to the range of 19, the interquartile range takes up a whole big bunch of that. So make sure that you're answering these questions here on this worksheet in Canvas.